Hey guys, I just got my subrosa altus bike yesterday, and I'll show you a bike check and how I'm sound on it. Alright, this is it. You can kind of see it. Alright, so starting from the top, we have Shadow Conspiracy grips, very grippy. Subrosa, handlebars. I think they're 2-piece. We have a rant stem. We have rant rims and I left one thing out. The stem is a Rant Ally front load. It's a front load stem. The only ones I like. I don't like top loads. Right here, I have an animal butcher peg, lightest pegs that they make. This is butcher. Then my tire. Don't know who it's made by. Subrosa altus frame. I believe it's a 19.5 inch top tube. Yeah. Then now I'm gonna go to my sprocket. 25 tooth subrosa altus sprocket. Yep, it's nice. Here I have Shadow Conspiracy twisted PC pedals. Plastic. Really nice. Now I have subrosa cranks. They're nice because in the inside back here, as you can see with this one right here, they kind of curve in, so there's less metal used in them. They're very light, so they're pretty nice. They're pretty nice because since they're light, then it makes your bike lighter, and it's better. Okay, I have a back butcher peg, another rant spoke, and rant spokes, rant rims, and then oh shit, hold on, put it behind me. Alright, then I have my hub is a Rant 36, has 36 holes, so it's probably 36 spokes on it. Now, I'm gonna give you a hub sound. There you go for the upset. My seat, they have a really light Shadow Conspiracy seat. Shadow Conspiracy seat posts, they're comboed together. I'm gonna get a separate, so hopefully that's gonna be soon. And did I forget anything? I think I covered everything. Oh, and this is an FSP headset right here. No, it's Shadow Conspiracy headset. This is very good. Makes the bar spins really well. So then I have just a brake cable. Can't really bar spin until I take my brakes off. Can do that soon. Yeah, that's what I like. Hope you enjoyed.